I wanted to have these tape makers very much, but I was never able to find them in our local stores. You can see the instructions written on the back side of the package, but even if you can't see them, I will show you how to use the tape makers. Let's open the package first. It's one of these packages that can be closed later. I'm so happy that I was finally able to find and buy them, and I can't wait to test them. I think I got the medium pack with 5 different sizes. I thought I had to remember the size of the makers and the colors on the package, but I was pleasantly surprised to see that the sizes are engraved on the back side of each tape maker. I still can't believe I was able to find these makers. My eyes are shining brighter than the lights on the Christmas tree. As I'm showing the different tape makers up close, I will tell you what the numbers on the back mean. The number written on the back of each tape maker shows the millimeters of the folded tape. For example, if you have a 5 cm strip of fabric, you must use the 25 mm folder. In other words, you will insert the 5 cm tape and you will get 25 mm or 1 inch tape. So far, I only had a big 3D printed tape folder that worked perfectly, but I had to be very careful because it could easily be melted from the heat of the iron. I'm showing it to you just so you can see that there is a free version online, and if you can't find to buy the metal ones, this may be the only alternative for you. I guess nobody has yet made a comparison between a 3D printed version and the real one, so I will show you how both of them work. Take the fabric strip, fold it in half and cut the tip to make the end sharp. Now insert the end in the folder. Use a sewing cowl or tweezers to push the fabric strip forward through the slot in the middle. Then simply pull the fabric forward and iron it as you go. As you can see, the fold is perfect. Now let's see how the real thing will perform. Here we have a metal handle so we can pull the folder backward. Once again, the tape it makes is perfect. Now let's try using the iron. I will insert the tape end into the folder and I will put it on the ironing board. I will use 2 pins to pin the edge to the ironing board. Now I will lift the metal handle and pull the folder while ironing the folded fabric at the same time. I can already tell you that it looks amazing. To finish it, just fold it so one of the sides is about 1 mm longer than the other one and iron it again. If you fold it exactly in the middle, it will be hard to sew it later if you're sewing both sides at once. However, if you unfold it and sew one of the sides first, then the other side, you may now fold it in the middle or just use it as it is now and you will still be able to sew it perfectly. Everything may be done in many ways. Your support means a lot, so I would appreciate if you take a minute to like the video and leave me a comment below. That's all I had for today. Have a nice day and see you next time.